Hey there, traders! Are you ready to take your trading career to the next level? In today's video, we're diving deep into Nigeria's top 10 prop trading firms. Whether you're looking for high profit splits, access to big funded accounts, or cutting-edge platforms, I've got you covered. Stick around because I'll be breaking down the best firms for every type of trader with tips on how to maximize your profits. Let's get started with our countdown of the top 10 prop trading firms in Nigeria. First on our list is Apex Trader Funding, a major player in the futures market. Apex offers a fantastic 90% profit split, starting from just $137 per month. This firm is perfect if you're into futures trading and want to keep a big portion of your earnings. Next up is City Traders Imperium, offering up to 100% profit split. Yes, you heard that right. You get to keep all of your profits. With low starting fees and a massive account balance, City Traders Imperium is a top choice for Forex traders. FTUK is another firm making waves, with an 80% profit split and account balances scaling up to an impressive $5.76 million. If you're a trader looking for massive accounts, FTUK might just be your perfect match. And number 4, we have the Trading Pit, covering both Forex and futures trading. The Trading Pit is a great option if you like flexibility with your tradable assets. Audacity Capital is well known for its up to 75% profit split and offers account balances up to $480,000. This firm invests in trader development, making it perfect for traders looking to grow long-term. Earn2Trade offers an 80% profit split with a futures focus. It's a great choice for futures traders looking to grow their skills and accounts. Lilu Trading offers up to a 90% profit split, with low monthly fees starting at $26. It's perfect for traders on a budget. The Funded Trader offers up to 90% profit splits and account balances up to $1.5 million. Lux Trading Firm offers a 75% profit split with account balances up to $10 million, one of the largest on this list. Finally, Trade the Pool specializes in stocks, with up to an 80% profit split and accounts maxing out at $260,000. And there you have it, traders, the top 10 prop trading firms in Nigeria. Whether you're into Forex, futures, or stocks, there's a prop firm on this list for you. Be sure to weigh the profit splits, fees, and account sizes carefully to find the best match for your trading style. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, drop a comment below with your favorite prop firm, and hit that subscribe button for more trading tips and reviews. Stay tuned for our next video, where we dive deeper into advanced trading strategies. Until then, happy trading